students, up to here we have studied about the detailed information of human evolution, and in that you have studied that approximately 7 crore years ago monkey-like animals are said to be evolved from some ancestors. Now in next point we will study about the journey of human. Observe the given picture on the screen. By using the pictures given on the screen, we can study the journey of human. Now see the first stage. 7 crore years ago, monkey-like animals are said to be evolved from some ancestors like lemurs. 4 crore years ago, tail of these monkey-like animals of Africa is said to have disappeared. Here monkey-like animal means it is known as the lemur, and this stage of development of human is known as the Egyptopithecus. 2 crore 50 lakh years ago, they had to use their hands more for eating food and other work, and this stage of development of human is known as the Dryopithecus. 1 crore years ago, first human-like animal recorded was Ramapithecus ape from East Africa. From where? From East Africa. And this stage of development of human is known as the Ramapithecus. 40 lakh years ago, this ape grew up in size and became more intelligent, and this stage of development of human is known as the Australopithecus. 20 lakh years ago, skilled humans appeared to be the member of genus Homo. This stage of development of human is known as the skilled human. 15 lakh years ago, human walking with erect posture evolved and existed in China and Indonesia of Asian continent, and this stage of development is known as the man with erect posture. 1,50,000 years ago, evolution of upright man continued in the direction of developing its brain, and this stage of development of human is known as the Neanderthal. Neanderthal is a first example of wise man. Already you have studied about it. 50,000 years ago, brain of man had been sufficiently evolved, and this stage of development is known as Cro-Magnon man. Observe the given picture on the screen. It is the picture of development of human brain. If you will observe it carefully, the size of human brain is smaller in initial stages as compared to the next stages. Already we have studied that evolution of upright man continued in the direction of developing its brain for the period of about 1 lakh years, and brain of 50,000 years old man had been sufficiently evolved. About 10,000 years ago, wise man started to practice the agriculture. When wise man started to practice the agriculture? About 10,000 years ago. It started to rear the cattle herds and establish the cities. Cultural development also took place. Art of writing was invented about 5,000 years ago, and thus the history had been started. When history had been started? When art of writing was invented. Modern sciences emerged about 400 years ago, and industrial society was established about 200 years ago. And now we have reached at this stage, and still we are searching the details of roots of human ancestry. With this point, here our lesson is complete.